In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your WooCommerce store to QuickBooks Online and set up your sync the right way. Before you connect anything, start by backing up both your WooCommerce store and your QuickBooks information. This is an important safety step because it gives you a restore point in case something gets mapped incorrectly or unwanted transactions are created during setup. Even though the process is usually straightforward, having a backup helps you work with confidence. Next, choose a WooCommerce to QuickBooks connector that is compatible with both platforms and supports the kind of sync you need. Not every integration handles products, customers, taxes, payments, and refunds in the same way, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm that the connector fits your workflow before moving forward. Once you've selected the integration provider, create your account. During this stage, you'll usually be guided into a setup dashboard where the connection process begins. Take your time here, because the choices you make now will affect how your accounting data flows later. Now connect your WooCommerce store by entering the store URL and completing the API authorization process. This allows the integration to securely communicate with your store and retrieve the order, product, and customer data needed for synchronization. After that, sign into QuickBooks Online and make sure you select the correct company file. This is especially important if you manage more than one business, because syncing to the wrong company can create a lot of cleanup work. With both sides connected, choose how products, customers, taxes, payments, and orders should sync between WooCommerce and QuickBooks. This part determines how detailed your accounting records will be, so think carefully about whether you want information summarized or brought in with full transaction detail. Next, match your WooCommerce products to the corresponding items in QuickBooks. Proper product matching helps prevent duplicate items and keeps income reporting more accurate. Then select which WooCommerce order statuses should trigger transaction creation in QuickBooks. For example, you may want only completed or paid orders to sync, depending on how your business operates. Continue by configuring how sales receipts, invoices, fees, and refunds should be recorded. This is where you define the accounting behavior of the integration, so accuracy matters. Small setup errors here can affect reporting, reconciliation, and tax tracking. Before turning on automation, run a test synchronization. Then compare the test transaction in QuickBooks with the original WooCommerce order. Check the customer details, product lines, taxes, totals, fees, payment handling, and any refund behavior. If you notice account mapping issues or tax errors, correct them now before enabling automatic synchronization. Once everything matches correctly, you'll be in a much better position to automate with confidence and keep your store and accounting records aligned.